This is Bob's Red Mill, where Mabel has a book. Where's the book, Courtney? And she is seeing from the Olden Days book. Now, there's a picture of the mill. Here it is. Look, Mabel. Look. There it is. Here's the water wheel in the book. See? Oh! And now where is it really?
Right there.
Right there. Oh. Are you hungry?
Can you go get some food? Okay, come on.
Okay.
Okay, come on, Anna.
Okay. And it's Bob's 80th birthday, so we're going to help celebrate. I think we have a free coupon. And I'm going to have a Mexican mocha. There we go. We just want to celebrate.
What?
Sit down. That's when you do.
Here we go.
I always say,
Baby,